Hi guys! Welcome po sa ating channel Hugot Sipnayan. Ako nga po pala si Sir JV, ang inyong MathKahugot, at welcome po sa ating channel. So, kung bago lang po kayo sa ating channel, so huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated po kayo sa ating mga video lesson at other educational video na ating gagawin. Kung meron po kayong suggestion or komento or nais bigyang pansin na topic para po magawan po natin ng video lesson, maaari nyo po akong i-contact sa mga sumusunod po na social media account na naka-flash sa inyong screen. So guys, maraming salamat po sa bisita. So let's have our video now. So what's up guys? So welcome po ulit sa Hugot Sipnayan. So ang video po natin for today po ay continuation ng last video natin discuss about geometry. So we already have some discussion about undefined terms and defined terms, the axiom and the postulate. So ngayon guys, dadako na tayo sa last topic natin for geometry o the axiomatic system, which is about the theorems. So ang purpose ng video ito guys is to identify the theorem applied in a given situation at use theorem in proving statement. So lahat naman guys na diniscuss nating major component ng ating axiomatic system ay ganun po yung purpose, to prove some statement or situation sa geometry. So given our last topic which is theorem, so medyo mas madali na po yung topic na to since nagkameron tayong discussion on our previous video. So guys, so let's have our discussion about theorem. So sa under na mathematical system, sabi ko sa inyo guys, ay yung four major component nito. At last dun guys, yung theorem. So under ng theorem guys, before natin masasabi na ang theorem ay totoo at hindi, kailangan muna guys may proof siya. So minsan napasok dyan yung mga axiom, yung mga postulate, tsaka yung mga defined terms before we continue with the theorems. At guys, yung kalimitan sa mga theorem ay derive lang dun sa mga naunang major component. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung theorems? Pag sinabi guys theorem, these are the statements that are proven to be true using definition, axiom, postulate, o derive using reasoning. So, nabagay ko nga sa inyo guys, ito yung mga ginagamit natin para ma-prove na yung theorem ay totoo. Hindi katulad guys sa mga definition, automatic, pwede mo siyang gamitin reason out without any further reason. Yung axiom ganun din. Tapos ganoon din yung postulate. Ang kinaiba ng theorem guys, bago mo siya gamitin, kailangan may support ka munang ibang proofs. Para maging double muna ang proofs mo bago mo siya gamitin. Unlike sa mga naunang major component, hindi na nila kailangan guys sa mga proof. By using their definition or kung paano sila gamitin, madali mo mga gamit as proofs. Now, pag sinabi guys proof, ano ba yung proof na yun? Yun yung sequence of truth facts that are arranged in logical order. Now, masasabi mo lamang na totoo yung theorem kapag gumamit ka ng proofs. Ano ba to? Ebidensya. Yun siya yung evidence mo na magsusupport na yung iyong claim ay totoo at hindi. So, without this proof, hindi mo pwede gamitin yung mga theorem tinatawag. So, ito yung mga basic theorem na didiscuss natin. So, some of the basic theorem, linear pair theorem, the line point plane theorem, at saka vertical angles theorem. So, for our first theorem guys, it's the line point plane theorem. Now, ang sabi daw dito, given a line and a point not in the line, there are exactly one plane containing both the line and the point. Sabihin nun, may isa lamang plane guys ang maaring mag-contain ng isang line at isang point. For example, merong isang lapis at isang eraser. So yung lapis guys, yung line segment natin. Yung ating eraser, yung ating point. Pag nasa ibabaw siya guys, ang isang mesa, yung ibabaw ng mesa, yun yung ating plane. So guys, isang plane lamang, eksakto, ang nagko-contain nung line segment natin, which is the lapis, and the point, which is the eraser. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin po ng line point plane theorem. Hindi pwedeng dalawang plane guys, hindi pwedeng tatlo. Only one plane. Okay? As a proof guys, ito pa yon. So, proof for line point plane theorem. So, dito guys, meron tayong 3 non-collinear points. This is MOC. By the plane postulate, o plane postulate ang gagamitin natin guys, there are 3 non-collinear point lies on one plane. Sabihin guys, yung 3 non-collinear points, yun yung ginagamit natin para pangalanan yung plane. Okay? Diba? Tatlong points rather, ang ginagamit natin sa pagpapangalan ng plane. Tandaan niyo po ba yun? Isang point for the point, 2 point for the line, at 3 points for the plane. Now, kung gagamitin natin ito guys, yung 3 non-collinear points na to, dun guys, makakabuo ka na agad ng isang line at isang point. At yun po yung nagasabi, o yung nagasabi nating proof for line point plane theorem. At guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi magiging theorem ang isang theorem without any proof. So, sinusuportahan siya guys ng plane postulate at saka guys ng line postulate. Okay? Next natin guys is the line intersection theorem. Now, if two lines intersect, o nag-intersect, nagdumaan sa isa't isa, their intersection is only 1 point. Example, line L and H intersect at point D. So, that will be true guys. So, isa lamang point ang mag-intersect sa isang line. O, diba? Sa isang cross nga eh. Isipin nyo sa daliring ito. O, diba? Isang gitna, yung gitna lamang ang intersection nila. Hindi pwedeng dalawa. Okay? So, sabihin, if two line intersect, they will intersect at exactly 1 point only. Okay? So, that is line intersection theorem. Next, guys, is line plane intersection theorem. If a line intersect a plane not containing it, sabihin, hindi siya yung line, guys, ay hindi bahagi ng plane. The line intersection contains only 1 point. Line N intersect point P at point M. Okay, nakita nyo guys. So, yan na po example. Meron tayong plane. Oh, just imagine this guys ha. Meron po tayong papel. Any bond paper will do. Pag yan guys ay tinusok nyo sa gitna gamit ng isang lapis. At yan po itatago sa kabilang side. Diba isang point lamang yung pinagtusukan niya. Okay? At yun guys yung line plane intersection theorem. Na isang point lamang ang intersection ng isang line at isang plane. Diba? O pag ito yung tinusok mo, tumago sa kabila, isang point lamang yung tinagpusan nila. Hindi ba yung dalawa? Gets ako guys? So that is line plane intersection theorem. Next guys, triangle angle sum theorem. Now, ang sabi daw sa triangle angle sum theorem, in every triangle, the sum of the measure of their interior angles 180 degree. Ibig sabihin guys, kung meron tayong triangle ABC, ang measure ng angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is 180 degree. At yan po ay totoo sa lahat po ng mga triangle. So, ang ginamit po dyang rules guys ay yung exterior angle theorem. So, hindi ko lang mo-prove dito. But guys, totoo to na ang angle po o yung sum ng angle ng interior angle ng isang triangle is 180 degree. So, that is triangle angle theorem. So, guys, ang ginawa kasi dito, kung i-extend mo to, ito yung magiging adjacent. Ito, tsaka ito, pag inad mo, lalabas yung dulo. That's exterior angle theorem. So I'm not going to give you any proof about that, pero I'm very positive enough, guys, sasabihin sa inyo na ang sum ng interior angle ng isang triangle is 180 degree. That's triangle angle sum theorem. At guys, nga pala, importante ito especially dealing with triangle congruence para may idea po kayo. Next is line pair theorem. Now guys, what you're looking on the screen ay example po ng ating line pair. Diba? Adjacent angle siya na nakabuo ng isang buong line. O, diba yun yung line pair theorem na sinasabi ko. If two angle form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. Example of this is angle 1 and 2. They are linear pair. Di ba meron tayong isang example ng isang angle, last na tawag dito straight angle. Ito yung guys yung gitna. Using addition angle postulate, pag inad mo si 2 at si 1, mabubuo mo siya na 180. At lalabas ka sila ng supplementary angle. Ano ba yung supplementary angle? Ang sum ng dalawang angle is 180 degree. At yun po yung pinuprove natin. Ibig sabihin, pag inad mo si angle 1 at si angle 2, we're talking about their measurement, sila po guys ay 180 degree. At guys, yung tinatawag na linear pair theorem. Okay? So, kita nyo naman, pag inad nyo, eksaktong isang buong straight angle siya. Kaya, by construction, mapuprove po talaga natin na yan ay 180 degree. O, lahat ng linear pair are supplementary angles. Okay? Next guys is supplement theorem. Ito guys si under ng supplementary angle. If two angles are supplementary to the same angle, then or to congruent angles, then they are congruent. Kung ang isa daw angle ay supplementary do sa isang angle pa ulit. Tapos yung another angle na supplementary on the same angle. Ibig sabihin guys, yung dalawang angle na yun ay congruent. Yun po yung ibig sabihin po ng supplement theorem. O like this one. Si angle 1 ay 120 degree. Si angle 2 is 60 degree. Therefore, they are supplementary. Kasi 120 plus 60 is 180. Diba? Now, kung meron tayong angle 3, which is also supplementary with angle 1, therefore guys, makukonklud natin si angle 2 at si angle 3 ay congruent. And that is supplementary theorem. Ang dalawang angle na congruent, ang supplementary nila guys ay also congruent. So that's the basic way for interpreting supplementary theorem. Okay, yun po yung ibig sabihin nun. Dalawang angle na congruent, ang kanila pong supplement or yung kanila pong supplementary angle ay also congruent. Okay, napasin nyo po. 1, 3, 180. 1, 2, 180. Ibig sabihin, si 2 at si 3, congruent. Okay po. Next guys is the vertical angle theorem. Now, if two angles are vertical angles, then they are congruent. Nabagay ko ito sa inyo guys on our discussion about postulate. Na kapag yung angle are formed through intersecting lines, so yung magkatapatang angles are congruent. Example po dito, ito. Si angle 2 at si angle 3, congruent yan. Si angle 1 at si angle 4, congruent. Now, paano natin ma-prove na congruent yan? Guys, si 1 at si 2, linear pair yan. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ano ba ang sabi sa linear pair? They are supplementary. Kaya 180 yan. Gets nyo? Kung si angle 1, guys, ay sumaktong 60 degree, therefore, si angle 2 ay 120. Magkatabi. Linear pair. Pag linear pair, ayon sa linear pair theorem, they are supplementary. Supplementary ngayon si 1 at si 2. Kung nagkataong si 1 ay 60, therefore si 2 ay 120. Very good. Dito yung 60, ito yung 120. Eh dito guys, sa kabilang side naman, si 1 at si 3 ay supplementary din at saka linear pair. Ibig sabihin, si angle 1 plus angle 3 is 180. Kung si angle 1 ay 60, therefore si angle 3 ay 120. Therefore guys, mapuprove natin na si angle 3 at si angle 2 ay congruent. At kung ganun na mangyayari, ibig sabihin, si angle 1 at si angle 4 ay congruent also. Since using supplement theorem na yung 2 at 3 ay congruent, therefore we could conclude na sila ay congruent at yung supplement nila, which is 1, ay also congruent to another angle, which is 4. O, di ba napansin yung supplement din niya? Kasi they're forming linear pair. O, in short, without any further ado guys, vertical angles are congruent. Basta yung angle guys ay nabuo in a intersection, o, di ko kayang tanggapin, diba? At yun guys, ang ibig sabihin nun, yung ibabaw at ilalim niya, basta yung magkatapatan, laging congruent yan using vertical angle. Samitin niya lang guys yung vertical angle theorem, automatic, you could prove that they are congruent. Okay? Last but not the least is the complement theorem. Now guys, kung meron tayong supplement theorem, complement theorem naman ay para sa mga very good, right angles. Kapag ang two angles are complementary, the same angle, or congruent angles, then they are congruent. We have angle 2, angle 3, at saka angle 1. Kung si angle 1 ay 30 degree, si angle 2 at si angle 3 ay congruent with 60 degree, automatic guys, congruent nga mga yan. O yung dalawa po ay congruent. Ibig sabihin guys, yung kanilang complement ay parehas. So ibig sabihin guys, si 1 at si 2 pag inad mo, 90 degree yan. At si 1 at si 3 pag inad mo, 90 degree. Since ito guys ay parehas, edi yung complement nila parehas. That will make 1 is equal to 1. Okay? Basta guys, ang dalawang angle ay congruent, automatic guys, yung complement nila ay congruent din o parehas lang din. So guys, yun po yung tatawag nating complement theorem. Now guys, we're going to determine the degree of each angle using the theorem solved on the following. So, usually guys, ginagamit tong mga theorem na to in angle, syempre, kapag tayo magpo-prove ng mga angle measurement. So, I'm going to give you some idea kung paano gamitin to using a diagram. An example guys, meron tayong angle 1, angle 2, at angle 3 na missing ang component. Tapos meron tayong given ng angle 50. Now, paano mo malalaman ang value ng mga yan using the theorem? O, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan mong i-define yan. Kailangan mo nang i-prove na sila ay vertical angle, na sila ay supplementary angle, na sila ay linear pair, na sila ay supplementary, bago ka mag-jump doon sa theorem. Yun guys, yung magiging proof ninyo bago kayo maggawa ng theorem. O yari, definition of linear angle. O after nun, magpo-prove kayo, supplement theorem. Okay, o supplementary theorem. O kaya, definition of vertical angles. Sa ilalim nun, vertical angle theorem. Now, let's try gamitin to guys. Si angle 1 ay 50 degree. O syempre, eto tsaka ito tapatan. E di yung angle na to tsaka angle na to, ipuprove mo na yan ay vertical angle para makuha mo yung value na 50. So, under siya ng vertical angle theorem. Gets so guys, ibig sabihin pa nagpo-prove na tayo, kailangan nyo gamitin yung mga definition ng mga vertical angle bago nyo masabi yung measurement nila. Gets mo ba yung gets? Okay. So, paano pag angle 2? O, magkatabi sila, di linear pair. O, supplementary yan. Di 180 minus 50, 130 yan sigurado. Supplement theorem. Matik yun, guys. So, paano naman yung angle 3? O, angle 3, 40 degree. So, napansin nyo, guys, ito parang right angle to eh. Pag na-prove mo na right angle yan, pwede siyang gamitin. Or pwede mo gamitin yung linear pair. Ito, tsaka ito, pag add mo, 50 plus 90, 140. Tapos minus 180 at naging 40. So guys, those are the following way you could prove na yung given item o yung given angle ng isang angle ay ganoon ng measurement using the different theorem. Okay? At dyan po ginagamit ng mga yan. So guys, para malaman natin whether you understand our topic for this video, so I'm going to leave you some number here. You're going to prove o alamin nyo guys yung measurement ng angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 base sa mga theorem na diniscuss natin kanina. Okay? So you have 5 minutes to do that guys. Get your ball pen and also your paper para po masagutan to. And you have 5 minutes. So 5 minutes start now. Okay guys, 5 minutes up. Let's just check your paper. So for angle 1, we have a 60 degree. So 60 degree po to. Mali na naman ng typographical na naman tayo guys. Angle 2 is 90 degree using vertical. Vertical dito guys oh. Tapatan yan eh. Angle 3 ay linear pair. Ito pinag-add yan. 90 plus 60, 150. Tapos minus 180, 30 degree. Or ito na lang guys, 30 plus 60 by complement theorem. At si angle 30 degree ay linear pair. Yan. Tsaka 30, tsaka 3, tsaka 4 yun, no? 30 degree. Okay? So, ulitin natin ha. Angle 1 is 60 degree. Tapatan po yung vertical. Matic. 90 to guys. Vertical din po yan. For angle 2. Very good. Si angle 3 naman guys. So, ito, kung ito po guys ay 60, ito po ay 3. Using complement theorem, or the definition of complement, yan. Sige. Or guys, kahit linear pair ang gamitin nyo. Ito ay 90. Ito po ay 60. Di 150. Ito yon ay linear pair siya, magkatabi. Kaya 150 minus 180 ay 30 degree. Tapos saka nung ginawa yung vertical theorem. Okay, that's 30 degree. So guys, I hope you learned something from our video. So nabagin ko sa inyo, kung meron po kayong tanong o question about our video, so you may comment it down below para po maintindihan po natin at masagot ko po inyong mga katanungan. So God bless po, ingat. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye po. God bless.